Okay, hey guys, so today we are going to do jerk chicken on the grill. So actual jerk chicken. Today is very special because we're celebrating the life of my most favorite, mostest, yes I said mostest, favorite auntie in the whole wide world. Today is her birthday and unfortunately she can't be here to celebrate with us. So I'm gonna do a family style, yes it's a family get together, jerk chicken. So it's like a cookout guys, so stay tuned. Remember to like, share and subscribe. It's a big family get together, so I have a lot of chicken parts and leg quarter. I'm gonna go ahead and blend all my seasoning. I have scallion, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, pimento seed, garlic powder, black pepper. I have jerk seasoning. I have both mild and hot and spicy, jerk seasoning, all purpose, and chicken flavor. Again guys, I can't emphasize enough, please ensure that you wash and clean your chicken properly. Wash and clean. We do not want any salmonella virus, and you don't want to give anybody picnic any running belly. Guys, so when you're cleaning the chicken, even though it may look as one, this is a leg quarter, ensure that you get into the thigh. Our chicken is washed and clean, we are about to start the process and season the chicken. But first guys, we have to stab, unfortunately, but we're gonna stab the chicken so that it can absorb all the seasoning. So we're gonna do this to each chicken individually.
Crackers taste good, mama. Nice, right? That's so. Give me a face, make me know it tastes. Oh God!
Okay, lovely people, now I'm going to blend all my spices. I have to do it 2 times because it's a lot of chicken. We need a lot of spices, so let's get started. guys, so this is our blended spices and seasoning, and now I'm gonna throw them on the chicken and we're gonna go back and blend some more. Of course, we're gonna scrape out all of this because nothing now is not now that way. We're gonna rub it up good. Rub and try to soak in as much of these spices as possible. So you try to get the chickens that are at the bottom of the container as well. We're not gonna go back to that, but we have to show each of them love. Also, guys, remember the seasonings that I use and the amount is based on the amount of chicken. If you're not gonna prepare so much chicken, you do not need as much seasoning as I am using right now. Okay guys, I've blended the other seasonings and I've poured them on all the chickens. So now I am, oh, by the way, I'm doing this overnight. I'm having the family get together tomorrow. So I'm letting this marinate and stay in the fridge overnight so that all the seasons are soaked in the holes that I made while stabbing the chicken. All right, so I'm gonna cover all of them now. Give them a good old shake and put them in the fridge to marinate.
Mama, stop out the second life out of your chicken.
Shut up. I don't know where the cover for this one is. I'll look for it shortly, but I'm gonna cover it too, guys. So you shake. Oh my gosh, I'm weak, but yes, you shake, 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 shake those hands that your mama gave ya. Woo. Shake, shake. Guys, it's 11:40 p.m. and I lose it at this time. I think it's a full moon out. I'm gonna search for this, but I'm gonna place these in the fridge. Find the cover for that one, place it in the fridge, and we're gonna be back tomorrow. Okay, lovely people, thank you for tuning in. So I seasoned the chicken from last night, so it's now marinated overnight, and we are going to get the ball started. So we have a big grill, and we are going to jerk some chicken today and celebrate.
Mama out there seasoning up my jerk chicken, but I don't season already still.
Yeah.
Guess you a girl like she pretty and can cook. Them dead.
Look out for my YouTube video.
Her YouTube video is dropping today. One of her YouTube video.
I don't know if you can see the fire because of the sun, guys. But yeah, we're just gonna have it on high and let it heat up a bit. Let it heat up a bit to about 200, 250, 300, and then put our chicken in. So it took only a couple seconds to go to 300. So now I'm gonna get started. You can use your hand and put it down, or if you want to use a utensil, that's fine. Either way is fine. I'm just gonna use my hands.
Chicken look nice, huh?
So guys, every chicken is different. The time is different. So I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna update you and show you the progress going by and tell you how many minutes total the chicken was jerked for. All right, but we're just gonna check on it periodically and see how it goes. Okay guys, first ensure that you are not cooking on high. You're cooking low to medium low. All right, and don't let the degrees get past 400. 300 thereabout is fine. You're always going to open your grill, check on your chicken. If there's too much heat underneath it, you need a bottle of water and you're going to spray on it. Right now I don't need to, but I will show you. If you had too much heat, you would spray on the fire to out it a bit, and then close back down. Yeah. Also, I like to ensure that my chicken is well seasoned, so I go in again when I do flip them and give it another coat. And the guests are arriving. Clean, bro, God, clean. We're Powerpuff Girls, and Powerpuff Girl is here. Yeah, yeah, come give me a spin for the camera, mama. White Air Force, clean. Yeah, 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 working girl. Okay guys, so we are around the back and we are jerking some chicken. And there she goes. Hey, hey,
Hey guys. Okay.
Okay. You said 2 seasons. 2 seasons. It's a go on. It's a go on. Remember, I'm vlogging. This is 1 hour after, guys. Most of the chicken are almost finished, but you know I keep adding. As I said, it's a big family thing. But yeah, just giving you an update 1 hour later. Small lady, let me starve it.
No trouble.
David said no more chicken. Yeah, come on. Yeah, too.
So why you have beef festival? You know, make somebody else go beef festival, man.
Yeah, nobody else don't want it. Mommy Mary has to come home.
You might just check it, do you? So you know, for a couple festival and put it in water. You must not do that shot. Make sure you do it on mine and bowl up just chicken in. Anyways, David, is it delicious? David,
It's too late.
is it?
David,
is it delicious? Go shut up. Watch it. Say hey to vlog. This is Otis, guys. Good girl, Imani. I was gone.
I watch the
And you
festival.
watch the festival.
So
I
okay.
can't understand. People who now see what going on the vlog. Say hello, Mr. Green.
Hello, what's up?
This is the vlog, Mr. Green. Gavin. I'm there I'm on a zone right now, chilling. I don't know what I do, but out.
You must say.
Otis wanna be famous on the YouTube today.
I know I'm not ask price. She just need me.
Don't worry, she go famous. No.
Hold on there. Oh, this. What is? Brenna, come. What is? Go sit down. Come tell us the cracks them out. My cracks them out. My cracks them out.
What my cracks them?
Team cracks them in. The cracks them out. The poster out. The cracks them out. Otis cracks in. Brenna, come set up this.
Oh, this is Avan.
Come set up this. Set up this in
No,
my class.
sir.
Otis.
What is what some class?
Let me get your sister number.
No, nigga, you not finna get my sister number, bro. Get off of that shit, bro. You're not finna get her number. You're aggravating me. No, nigga.
School girl them bad and bougie, you know.
Public school, right?
So the ones that are ready, I place them on the top. This is about after an hour and 45 minutes. So I'm gonna share now.
So this is going to be the first taste, the first, what do you call it?
It's a test taste.
The test taste or first impression.
So good.
Chicken bar. Chicken
Let's take a festival now.
Alright, Mama Festival.
No!
Ready for your food? If they ever want it.
I don't even know which part to go. Everywhere just look nice, so try. I'm gonna start with a little piece.
Yeah, friend. Watch out for your nails.
Bumba, just the green. I'm like, well on, girl. No, for true. I'm gonna taste it now.
What is this? What is a bad mind?
Bumba, girl, you no, it's not cool.
You get an extra before me so much.
No, girl, it's not cool. I can't come back over here when you cook again.
You can't come back. You can't come back. Thanks, friend. Watch him. Watch him a teeth out the chicken. You see me? See me now, watch him. Dear teeth.
Welcome. Welcome, Chin. Welcome. Finally.
This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, share, and comment. Turn that post notification on.